It's time, bitch. Welcome back to the channel. Down here right there. I think we found the problem to my truck. So we're gonna check the codes right now. Earlier, so I drove the truck to work. It's in the truck. I had every gear. First gear, first, second, third, and fourth. I'm coming home from work. I did a couple pulls, and that thing felt amazing. So we're gonna check the codes on it, and then see if I get a front run in and try it out. But I will post the videos of those pulls I did after work, and then I'll catch y'all on the flip side. Charge this bitch up, bro. Third, second, slow it down. First, what the fuck? Welcome back. The computer's charged. We got about, how much, like 30% probably, 28%. Hook up to the scanner, check these damn codes, see what the hell's coming on, because that damn check engine been on for a couple of days too. Let's get my camera charger is here, boo. Connect to it. The key's forward already. Come on, baby. Check codes. Read DTCs. Seeing it. These are the same codes. But if I clear them, let's see. Ooh, spicy. I'm gonna go drive it some and then show y'all the new rims I got. Some 20s. These are 20 by 9s, I think. The back are 20 by 11s. Just have a decent lip on them too. That I like it. Well, anyways, let's go cruising. Oh yeah, look, see, lights going in. Remember, we are looking for trans current gear right there. Should be on first gear, the second, the third, the fourth. See, is it first there? It's in first. Let's go cruise it right quick. See if they all go through. First, second, third. That's it. tags too. Finally got me some tags. I'm straight in. Second gear already. Third. Feels decent. Fourth. Feels pretty good. Feels pretty good. Feels good out here too, boy. This whole week has been like 104, 105. Too damn hot for that bullshit. But yeah, so far it's good. About to do a little pull for y'all. So far so good though. So far so good. These gears feel good too. I kind of want to go ahead and tell you what gears I got. Shit or not? Nah. I'll tell y'all later. Where your boys at though, baby? That motherfucker got loose, boy. Ooh, that fucking felt good. Motherfucker got loose as a goose. Watch. I love it. I love it a lot. That damn posse doing work too, boy. That damn posse doing work, boy. Alright, so I'm gonna tell y'all. It's a posse with 456s. Had to go big or go home with it, kids. Had to go big or go home. Boy, that sounds beautiful. Listen to that. Ooh. So, yeah, there it is, kids. 456s. 456s. They're alright so far. They feel good. They are peppy too, boy. They are peppy. Feel damn good. But yeah, let's have a call out tonight. So, that's how I was doing a test drive or test run, whatever you want to call it. It's against a 2001, I think, Silverado. Has cam, headers, and gears. And I think he will be on the tire too. So I'll be on these 20s. Fuck it. Oh, fuck, that feels good. That shit feels amazing, man. Motherfucker feel good. Check code, there ain't nothing right. No code detected. That means the wire is still intact. But I do gotta check. Look, here's that trick right there. It just got pulled up. Motherfucker sound good as fuck. bullying me and shit. That motherfucker sound good too. Look at it. He beat the same trucks I beat. So, my cuz. Damn bully done came. Bully done came and tried to call me out. Okay, well, let's do it. Well, damn, it looked like they just came on again. The race did not go down. My damn trans went into limp mode again because that fucking shortage in the wiring or some bullshit. So I have to get me a standalone harness. Fix this issue. It's fucking slow now, watch. See? There wasn't no passing gear, no shit down shit or no nothing. I gotta get this shit fixed. Good old playing view though. But yeah. I'll catch you on the next video, I guess. Pray for me though. I found a standalone harness. I think harness cost $250 shipped. But I ain't got that much right now. So I ain't got that much to spend on that. So I'll get it one day. I'll get it. And cracky. Motherfucker. Fuck it. But yeah. See you on the next video, kids. So my transmission is fixed again. So tonight there will be some fun runs with that same truck. That same, I think it was a 2001 model, I think. So we'll see how it does.
Look, I forgot how that Danny.
Do a jig on it.
Huh? Yeah.